Hello, my name's Jana, and today we're going to be looking at some real Roman objects. And these objects are about 2,000 years old. They're all made from clay, but I wonder if you can think what sort of object they might have been part of. Do you think I should put my hand there? I think it works really well as a handle. These were handles for amphora. And an amphora was a large pottery container used to carry olive oil or wine or water in Roman times on long distances. You might have seen pictures of them. They had big handles and they had a pointy bottom, as some of them were really tall, even this high. They were very heavy and the handles had to be really strong to lift up something that heavy when it was full of the liquid. What I love about these objects is that they were found near Brent. They were found in a place called Brockley Hill. And Brockley Hill is about 15 kilometres from the library at Wilston Green, where Brent Museum is based. This one, I think it was made with a lump of clay that was squished when it was soft into the right shape. And then a little bit of clay here was added on to the main amphora. But this one's different. This one looks really neat and precise. And I think this one was made in a mould, like a jelly mould. So you could have made lots of handles, all the same shape, using the mould over and over and over again. These objects were donated to Brent Museum and they were found underground at Brockley Hill. So these are some of the objects that adults and children come and handle and find out more about at workshops at Brent Museum. Hopefully see you soon.